Alright, YouTubers, this is day 2. New 49ers group outing. June 7th today. Yesterday, June 6th, was day 1 when they did a in-house class, and then across the river to do some panning training, a little prospecting training, and today is going to be the full-on mining expedition. So everybody's going to be working much harder and with a purpose to move material. We're going to see high bankers in action and people digging material to feed those high bankers. So all these happy campers are starting much earlier in the day, as you may be able to tell from the lighting, to try and beat the sun before it comes up over that ridge and starts to really paint that side of the river where we're going to be on, and it makes it quite a bit more difficult to work when you're under that much sun. It tires you out pretty quick. You got to watch out for heat exhaustion. So we're starting at about 6:37 o'clock right now, and those folks across the river there, looks like Dave McCracken, and that's the raft that he tows down behind his jet boat to ferry people not only across the river, but a fairly good distance downriver. They're getting set up to take their first or second load. I don't know if they've already started ferrying people down or not. We'll go get our place in line, and I shot plenty of rafting video yesterday, so I'm not going to shoot any more today. Just get down there and get a shovel, start helping out, find some gold. Let's go get the gold.
I heard him yelling.
Yeah, you get wet. Yesterday it was warmer. Now it's a little chilly when you get splashed.
In the morning, yeah.
Yeah.
No, but later it's so good.
Today. Oh yeah. Alright. I saw you out there working. Got out. Thanks for feeding us so well last night.
Well, I didn't do everybody else brought food. I just made sure it was in the right place, that's all.
Yeah,
it would be chaos if somebody wasn't back there trying to keep it organized. People were just putting food everywhere, you know, and stuff.
It's always the people behind the scenes that really make it happen.
Is that it?
The guys out front get the glory. You guys do all the work.
Yeah. I think Dave would be lost without us women that do things. What is that?
Your pin's just poking out a little bit.
That's okay. It's not even in my hair.
Okay.
I just put it there in case the wind comes up, then I do catch it. Yeah.
All right.
Because this thing tends to take off flying.
That is the thing about hats.
Yeah. All of a sudden I come up towards Mr. McDaniel and say, what the hell did I get that? Because I wasn't even in it. Well, I realized it's coming through the water.
Oh, well, those leaves are glossy and there's no escaping the waves. I mean, I guess I could go in the basement. I could go in and my friend left it out all over and stuff. I thought, yeah, I can get it all over the oil. It's the wrong place. Both sets. I only have one. Okay.
Seems like a good kid.
Yeah.
More people over here.
Have to learn to live with them. First time we've ever done something like this.
That's quite an undertaking. It's one thing to cross the boat in the river in your own little boat or raft, but to ferry this many people across and back. You gotta hand it to them.
Outside the realm up there. I don't know how to put it in words. I have to go on the last. This is the last. This is the last? Alright.
Pretty good.
Good morning, Ray.
How's that? That's good. Okay, wait a minute. Here we go. Try this one. How about this? Okay.
Somebody tells me, Dave, you're having too much fun.
Just tried to throw me out.
Dave, do you happen to know if anybody grabbed my pack and orange juice?
They got the orange juice is over there.
It's over there?
Sean's got it.
Last trip, day 2, getting across the river. Looks like we're going to catch the last train for Clarksville here.
I do. All right. If I'm
I'll get a friend when he comes out.
okay.
Just remember, in case of a water landing,
Take it slow, you're a little heavy. Yeah.
the person next to you becomes a flotation device.
You'll get a ticket. We're okay. If the Coast Guard sees you, you're going to get a ticket.
The waterway, maybe, not the boat.
Woo, they're really loaded.
Somebody's going to get a little chilly bath there, a little splash.
I'm moving back a little.
Get in trouble, the person next to you becomes a flotation device.
It's the advice.
Unless it's Dave, because he doesn't have a life jacket on.
These rapids are stronger than going down lane.
Yep. When I came through here, the water levels was at the high water, the white line there. It was a lot of fun. Oh yeah.
You know, he went all morning without doing that.
Hey, cowboy!
Let him run front. Still out.
Okay, you guys, we're filling buckets. Today is not a panning day, it's a production day. We're filling buckets halfway, no screening, no big rocks. Okay? We're not even going to fire up the recovery systems until every bucket is full. That'll give us a head start on the day. How many buckets you got? Then we just try to keep up with it, okay?
you hit it this time. Life jacket's off, drop it in the front of the boat on your way out.
This is how you do it, folks. Pretty professional run operation. It's not easy to get 100 people across a powerful river back again safely 2 days in a row. That's the way you do it.
Got a big rock there.
Nobody else, right?
Get a tie on it. Alright. You know, the base of that tree behind it's even better. Another load? Right down on the base.
We're done. We're done.
As far as I know, we're done. That ain't much to do that day. We'll hit the lamp here.